Na ka jingkali ba ki don ki jingya kren bala jur palat kapan kaliang ba ka jela ka don hatmir ka jingdap ram kham tam ki project bala bay tingka na sabar u Dr. Mukul Sangma MLA ka All India Trinamool Congress AITC na songsak bat nongilam kaliang persya hayeng do bar hawain ka jela haka shipho tarip kulalungkot arjar penriau uloong bak Sorkar MDA tu kala pelat Shuti Kput hau no pra arjar pesan kata nadu ka arwar terek namar ba kam don Pisa ai. Ulong bagadi kasin banikong ha Meghalaya bala ai Shuti ha ka arpuar bat arpulai tarik no pra mentau snem kat ba haki wei kisnem kini kidei kitarik bapun kamba kum ke Sorkar. Haswa kan eu Dr. Mukul lakren halo ki projek bala bay tingka na sabari bat kam bakini ki projek batrei menta kidei ki bala pentulun hakapor jengu kum minterang ba haswa arja pra. Shushu Dr. Mukul loong ba kuru kom pentri kampat iki projek hakani Sorkar bomenta kadai ke basule tang dep rukom hakaba kisurok apa siang rong tang sisnem ru kimne bat benrap ba kadon ke jingle siliang kman haka ai kam jingtrei nalor kan eu Dr. Mukul ubadeiru mintirang ba barim ke jela loong ba ka Skhim MLA ru nakaliang ke Sorkar MDA ke sujiet banai.
Have you seen in the history of Meghalaya government closing down the office and running away before Christmas? Have you seen? The government doesn't have money. By 19, they didn't have money anymore. That's why they closed the office. That's why they have given holiday on the 22nd and 23rd. Have you seen any time in the preceding years from the inception of the state, offices being closed on 22nd, 23rd? I remember when we were in the government, I used to sit in the CM's office, still receive phone calls from every district, from every department. If fund has not been released, if it is stuck with finance, we will still continue to see that it reaches till the last moment, past midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 a.m. in the morning. Officers in the treasury, you will see them, working whole night. Everybody have witnessed it. That is the testimony of our honesty towards serving our people. But this time, December 18 was holiday, 19 working day, Saturday holiday, Sunday holiday, 21st, then 22nd holiday, 23rd holiday. Who has given the authority to give to the government to declare that 22nd and 23rd as a holiday? Yes, who has given them the authority? Every office is in the interest of public, not in the interest of the government who is running the show. No. We are paid. The government employees are paid. Today, because they want to deprive the people from receiving what is their entitlement from government payments, to deprive them, they closed the office. Because the money was not there. You check the bank account. I have checked the bank account. Okay? I have checked the bank account of every bank where the government money is deposited. They didn't have money. So they closed the office. Ask the Chief Minister about this comment. Yes. And if he dare, let him show the accounts. So, when you say compensatory holiday, only on those days when crucial work is not required. When the officers, like in between Christmas and New Year, we always say that, okay, this will be declared holiday and this will be compensatory holiday. Declaration of holiday has to be decided by the cabinet based on the mandate of the law. It is not something which can be done whimsically. So, and another one, I will tell you, for the first time in the history of Meghalaya, MLA schemes couldn't be utilized in the year before December, before Christmas. How many externally rated projects they have been able to bring during their time? They are all ready-made. During our time, we have brought them. MITP, the JICA related, all those livelihood programs, these are all our programs. And I have reminded them in the August House, you have heard it, low-hanging fruit. But till now, the externally aided project, say for example, Meghalaya Integrated Transport Program, MITP, Meghalaya Integrated Transport Program, you see, integrated, it's not in isolation only road construction. There are vehicles given to the community so that areas which do not have proper public transport system are given support with that fund. Are they doing it in a transparent manner? No. Then constructing the roads in the right perspective, are they doing it properly? No. Go and see all the work that has been done. The road doesn't last even 1 year. So, all these, once subjected to independent quality monitoring, the state will get red flagged. Then state will lose this advantage of getting fund from externally aided project in future. That means they are doing injustice to the future generation. I tell you, once you land up in getting red flagged as a state, the state will deprive itself of getting further such similar kind of things. But the fact is that overall implementation of the schemes are in such a way that is being abused and misused. This particular implementation of all these programs under EAPs shall be put under stringent scrutiny by us. And we will take necessary action against all those concerned who are involved in this exercise in connivance with the government, including the officers. Yes. I'm telling you, and then you should be investigative in your approach to collecting information. And even today, say you call it focus. Is there transparency? Is there transparency? There is no transparency. Therefore, whoever are being utilized and the government is trying to weaponize it for their political, I must say, to somehow prevent them from getting derailed from their future navigation in your electoral battle, to survive the electoral battle. They are weaponizing it. But this all will be put into scrutiny. Because please remember, under the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, any officer who indulges in favoritism or acts as an instrument to create that favoritism is subjected to be prosecuted under the relevant section of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Favoritism, yes. Let Bibilindo, while he was Chief Minister, he understood the need of this so-called certain local area development fund for the MLS. SRWP. He initiated this. And this was also adopted by Parliament as a local area development for MPs. Since then, since the time when Led Bibilindo started this program, till date, nowhere in the history of Meghalaya SRWP has not been released. It has never happened. This is the first time. And in fact, I was asking the MLS, have the government failed to send letters to the MLS? I have not received letter to submit special rural works program till date. So I asked my colleague members of the house. They said we also haven't received. Then somebody said, but we heard that somebody has received. Have they issued these letters also selectively? Now, once budget is passed, one allocation is indicated to the department. Department will always write letters and inform the department, and in the letter, in the information, they will reflect the allocation, based on which the schemes are prepared and submitted. But this government has failed to do so.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Kan nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.